yet many remain trapped in poverty. Why? What stops progress?
Chaos on the streets of Manila as young masked protesters, angry at corruption, clash with police, who fire water cannons to try to disperse them, with hundreds arrested and dozens injured.
Corruption. It's still what belongs to the people. Education, healthcare, jobs, and opportunities. Every peso lost to corruption is a meal taken away from a family. A scholarship is gone. A hospital lives without medicine.
Corruption and poverty are connected. When funds meant for communities disappear, inequality grows. The rich get richer and the poor stay poor.
Minsan, kahit gaano pa tayo kasipag, para lang hindi umaangat. Walang suporta, walang oportunidad.
This is the real cause, not just numbers or courts, but lives. Families who can't afford medicine, students who walk kilometers to school, workers who barely enough to survive.
But we can change this by demanding transparency, by choosing leaders with integrity, by speaking up, reporting wrongdoings, and standing together.
Thank you.